We will start by creating the part called Funnel Front. File, New, Part, Front Plane, Sketch. Press F to fill screen. Smart Dimension 35mm. The remainder of the sketch will auto scale. Exit sketch. Insert a reference centerline. Exit sketch. Please note that the sketch is black or fully defined. Go to Features and select Revolve Boss Base and revolve. Select an appearance, in this case it's blue high gloss plastic, and apply to the part. Save as. Funnel dash front. Create the remainder of the part with reference to the PDF document supplied with this material. It is possible to drag and drop parts into an assembly using the R command and the mouse. Go to File, go to New, select Assembly, select the R key, and you will see the most recent documents. Select the document you require, for instance the body, and drag and drop it into the assembly. Press F, I'll zoom in or out. Press R again. We'll drag and drop the funnel back. Select funnel back, and we have two parts into the assembly. Press R again and drag and drop the dowel into the assembly. Drag and drop all parts into the assembly and create a train using the mates command. It is also possible to use the drag and drop facility using a file explorer on the right hand side of the interface. Go to File, go to New, select Assembly. A new assembly is opened. Go to the right hand side and select File Explorer. On the right hand side you have the different options, the different folders. Select the folder. In this case it is the Train 2015. Expand it and all the parts of the train are there. Select one part, body. Note that you can get a preview and drag the part in. Select cabin and drag it in. Select funnel back and drag it in. Select funnel front and drag it in. Press F to fill the screen. Create an assembly and mate the parts as required. Show and hide parts in an assembly. Select the Tab key, move the mouse over a part. To show the parts again, select the Shift key and the Tab key and move the mouse over the parts, and the parts will show.